All right, guys, we're getting ready to get into this big box of goodies from Detroit Grooming. Stay tuned for it. Hey guys, Brian Haywood here. Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel where we discuss tips and tricks for your beards. We do some product reviews and big unboxings like we're doing today. We also have a beard advice series where you guys can send in a couple of pictures to me to the email address you see below. I take a look at it for a few weeks and you get featured in your own beard advice series video. So make sure you check that out if you haven't. But today we're going to open this big box from Detroit Grooming. My friend Scott from Beard Times with Scott recently has been trying to get some funds to be able to upgrade his recording equipment and computer system and studio stuff. So in doing with that, a lot of the companies that he's worked with has been doing like some giveaways and that kind of thing. So Detroit Grooming sponsored a giveaway on his live stream the other night. And I was fortunate enough to win that kind of out of the blue. I don't really enter many giveaways these days. But they also have a brand new product out. They've got some beard wax. And if you guys know, I do like the high hold balms and the beard wax. So I wanted to be able to check that out. So I think Mike sent that to me as well. And I don't know what else is in here. I think he might have sent some mustache wax too. I haven't tried a lot of new mustache waxes over the past maybe month or two. So it'd be interesting to try some new to see if I can find some more that I like. It seems like you try some and it becomes your new favorite for a while. So we'll see how the Detroit Grooming stacks up. And beautiful presentation. There we go, Detroit Grooming. Packed with care by Mike. Thank you, Mike. I do appreciate that. I'll do the best I can here to show off these products and tell you all about them. Lots of good bubble wrap and packing to for in the future. So in here, and you guys excuse my voice, I'm trying to get over a cold and the allergies are kicking in and all of that. So here is the beard wax. So if you haven't checked that out, that's a newer product. And the stash wax, which strong hold stash wax. I've been looking for a strong hold in this in the tube. I've got all my strong holds are in like the 1 ounce tin. So I'd be interested to be able to carry this one around and see how it does in your pocket all the time. So definitely be looking for more information about the stash wax and to go along. And let me check that out and see if it's got any scent to it. Strong hold, ingredients, beeswax and some other stuff. Ooh, that's white. I don't really smell anything. I've got product on my hands from earlier I tried to wash off. I think that's purely unscented and it doesn't have, sometimes with the white beeswax, if it's unscented, sometimes it'll have like a sterile kind of smell. This one I don't smell anything at all. So interested in checking that one out. The Stronghold Beard Wax. Sandalwood and bourbon is the scent on that. And that's 4 ounces. That's a big one. Okay, so I'll be giving you more information. I'll do a little research on how I like it, but also I'll give you all the ingredients because this one has got the ingredients listed, but it's got the long scientific name and the other name to it. But I would tell you the sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil, castor oil. I'll just read them now. Sunflower seed oil, safflower seed oil, rice bran oil, apricot kernel oil, avocado, wheat germ oil, beeswax. So beeswax is way on down there, and then some shea butter and coconut oil and fragrance oil. So that's kind of interesting. I would think it would be more towards the top of the list for the wax. Oh, that's a nice smell. That's a nice manly smell. Sandalwood bourbon, but it's not a sweet sandalwood. I don't really like sandalwood a whole lot, but that bourbon in that makes it nice. And let's see how strong that is. Let's see if I can show you. So that's like a beard wax. Basically, it seems like a stronger holding balm to me. That's what that smells like, or what it looks like. So it actually is going to come out pretty easily. So we'll see how well it does on keeping the flyaways down. So be looking for more information about the beard wax and the mustache wax. I'm excited about those for sure. All right, and then let's see what else is in here. I just happened to pop into that live stream after it was already going, and I didn't really hear what the giveaway was, but it was some kind of box here. I'm not sure what's in it. So we're going to see. That's a beautiful box. Love the Detroit logo. It's so nice and clean with the black and white. So you don't have to go too fancy on that to make it look really, really cool. So inside, we've got more wrapping paper. And let's see what we've got here. Sturgis is the scent on this. And it is leather, amber, cardamom, and bergamot. That's cool. It just says grooming oil. So I'm not sure exactly what that means. The smell of it though. A nice smell to that. It's leather, I smell, and then a little bit more like an elegant kind of cologne-ish kind of thing going on. And this is from their black series. So grooming oil black. I can't read those ingredients. I'm not exactly sure what grooming oil is. I have to look that one up. Sorry for not being prepared on this, but I wasn't sure what was coming. I guess this is a grooming kit, maybe. We'll take a look at it. What is this? Black, 8 ounces of something. Shake, pump, lather, rinse. I'm not sure what this is. It doesn't say what kind of something it is. It smells good. I'm not sure if it's shampoo or beard conditioner or beard wash. I'm not sure. I'll have to research. And the last thing is the black butter. 4 ounces. I'm guessing that's beard butter. It doesn't say. That's a nice scent. It's kind of a clean, not exactly cologne, but it's kind of a clean, manly, aftershave-ish kind of scent. All right, and got the butter on that. And I've tried one other Detroit grooming butter in the past. I like the consistency of the butter. It worked well. Definitely impressed with the scents. All those are manly, cologne-ish kind of scents. I really like the beard wax with the sandalwood bourbon scent. So I'll be trying out all of this stuff, getting some more information about exactly what I have here, what grooming oil is, and what's in this black container, because it doesn't really say. And I'm pretty sure this is beard butter. I hope so. I just put it in my beard. Anyway, thanks to Scott for hosting that giveaway, and thanks to Mike from Detroit Grooming for sponsoring that and sending this out to me. And I'll be checking out all the stuff and giving you an update in a couple weeks. All right, thanks guys, take care.